Imagine this. You wake up at 30, check your bank account, and realize you've wasted an entire decade financially. Scary, right? Here's the thing. Most people in their 20s don't realize the habits they're building today will decide whether they live paycheck to paycheck or in financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share the exact money lessons I wish I had known in my 20s. These are not generic tips. These are hard-hitting truths, born out of mistakes, missed opportunities, and a few wake-up calls. If you're 18 to 30, you cannot afford to skip this, because what you do in the next few years will echo for the rest of your life. By the way, if you think skipping Starbucks lattes is the secret to wealth, oh, just wait till point number 3. You're gonna laugh and maybe cry. Point 1, time is more valuable than money. If I could scream one thing to my younger self, it would be this: time beats money every single time. In your 20s, you have the one resource billionaires would pay anything to get back: youth. The earlier you invest, the less money you actually need to become wealthy. That's the magic of compound interest. But here's the trap. Most of us waste time chasing things that don't build wealth, which leads me to the second thing I wish I knew. Point 2, lifestyle inflation is the silent killer. You land your first job, you're excited, and suddenly you deserve nicer clothes, a better apartment, a car you can barely afford. Congratulations, you've just fallen into lifestyle inflation. And it feels harmless until you realize you've been working for years and your savings account is still empty. Seriously, who told us that upgrading from ramen noodles to avocado toast automatically requires a Tesla? But here's the thing. Even if you keep lifestyle inflation under control, there's another trap that drains your future wealth even faster. Point 3, debt is a double-edged sword. Debt in your 20s is like fire. Controlled, it can cook your dinner. Out of control, it burns your house down. Student loans, credit cards, personal loans. They don't just steal your money, they steal your options. Every dollar you owe is a chain holding you back from freedom. Do you know the average American under 30 has nearly $30,000 in non-mortgage debt? Imagine starting life already underwater. And if you think debt is bad, wait till you hear the fourth lesson, because it's the exact opposite, and it's what makes people rich. Point 4, money should work harder than you. In my early 20s, I thought the way to wealth was working harder. More hours, more hustle. But I was wrong. Wealthy people don't just work for money. They make money work for them. Investing, even small amounts, puts your dollars to work 24/7. Stocks, ETFs, side businesses, real estate, these are silent employees building your future. Think about it. Would you rather work until you're 65 or have your money work so well that you could retire by 40? But even if you invest, there's a bigger problem most young people overlook, and it keeps them stuck in the same cycle. Point 5, skills pay more than degrees. This one hurts. I wasted years believing a college degree was the ultimate ticket to wealth. The truth? Skills pay more than degrees. High-income skills like sales, coding, design, or content creation can out-earn traditional jobs and give you leverage. In your 20s, every new skill is a new income stream waiting to be unlocked. And if you're thinking, okay, I'll just learn skills and invest, that's smart, but none of it matters if you ignore the final and most powerful lesson. The last thing I wish I knew in my 20s is this: money is emotional. If you don't control your emotions around money, fear, greed, impatience, you'll sabotage yourself. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers. It's about discipline, mindset, and vision. The earlier you master that, the earlier you master life. So here's my challenge to you. Don't wait until you're 30 to look back with regret. Start today. Build habits that make your future self proud. Because your 20s are not for wasting, they're for building. If this hit you hard, then don't just click away. Subscribe. The next video I'm dropping will reveal the 5 rules of money the wealthy never talk about. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one.